Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Honda Accord radio serial number. You can find it using three main methods: directly from the radio display, on a label in your glove compartment, or within your owner's manual. Each method is straightforward and helps you retrieve the necessary code quickly. Let's dive into the first method now, which is often the quickest way to get your serial number. For many Honda Accord models, especially those newer than 2001, you can retrieve the serial number directly from the radio display. First, turn your ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Make sure the radio is off and shows code. Then, press and hold radio preset buttons 1 and 6 simultaneously. While holding them, turn the radio on. The serial number will then be displayed on the screen. Another common place to find your radio serial number is on a label within your vehicle. Many Honda Accord models have a small white sticker located inside the glove compartment. This sticker often contains the anti-theft radio code and the serial number. Carefully check the inside and sides of your glove box for this important label. It's a quick visual check that can save you time. If the previous methods don't work, your owner's manual is a valuable resource. Look for a dedicated section on the audio system or an anti-theft ID card, which often lists the serial number. Additionally, you can visit the official Honda owner's website. You'll typically need your VIN and some personal information to retrieve the serial number online. This ensures you have all the necessary details to get your radio working again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.